It's your girl Mo of All Things Mo L. Welcome back to my channel. So I am super excited about today's video, y'all. I'm so excited because Soultanicals, which if you are not new to my channel, you know that Soultanicals is one of my absolute favorite hair care brands, natural hair care brands. They just exclusively launched a line that is sold only at Walmart.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
If you've been rocking with Soultanicals, you know that like accessibility can be an issue because while they do sell their products in like, you know, local retailers like Sally Beauty, you know, beauty supply stores, like there's only like those same 5 or 6 products that you can get in stores. Everything else, like all of the like really good stuff, my favorites, you can only get online, and shipping be taking forever. Like, it's just not even funny at this point. Like, it takes forever and they're frequently sold out. So accessibility is, you know, something that we gonna pray about as far as Soultanicals is concerned. But they just launched a line at Walmart, meaning I could just walk up, you know, to my local Walmart and just pick up some Soultanicals products. Like, and on top of that, it is featuring something that is highly on trend right now. Everybody is trying to get these inches, honey. Everybody is using rice water and everybody is putting rice water in their hair products. However, Soultanicals has already had out a rice water product. They just decided to make a whole line dedicated to rice water, and your girl is here for it. So I picked them up and I picked up some extra because I already love the rice water butter shampoo from Soultanicals, so I just know that these additions are going to be bomb. I'm going to be talking about the 4 products that launched exclusively at Walmart here recently, as well as 2 extra products that aren't even officially launching until I think they said in the spring, but your girl got her hands on those too. So we're going to be doing a demo and review of those products today. If you're interested in seeing that, then just keep on watching. But of course, before we get into it, make sure that you have subscribed because we would love to have you here. And while you're down there, hit that notification bell so that you will not miss when I post new uploads. I feel like what I want to do first is just give you guys a rundown of the products that are at Walmart. So let's go ahead and start with the butter shampoo. Now, like I said, I had already used and loved the butter shampoo. So this is the original packaging, this is the new packaging. So of course I was interested in seeing if there were any differences in the 2 products, the old versus the new. And the 2 differences that I noticed were in the ingredients list. It seems that the new rice butter shampoo contains MSM and biotin, which was not in the old formula. So we're gonna see if it still works the same. Okay, and then the next product, y'all, this is the thing that I was most excited to try. I think, I don't know why, but oh my gosh. Sprout-tastic Curl Elastic Deep Conditioning Treat. So many of you guys have raved about the original Curl Elastic, the Afro-tastic Curl Elastic from Soultanicals. Add in some rice water and it can only get better from there. Like, I just feel like it can't fail. So I was super excited to get my hands on this one. Then they came out with the Sprout version of the Knot Sauce Coil Detangler. So this is the Sprout and Comb Out Leave-In detangler for thick coily hair. You guys know that I only recently tried out the original Knot Sauce, and I have a video on that where I compared several Soultanicals leave-in conditioners, so I'll leave that linked in the description box if you want to check that out. And then the last product that they launched at Walmart was the Sprout Follicular Rice Tonic. So this is the original, and I have used this product several times and I really love this product. So I did look at the differences in ingredients on these 2 just to see, you know, how different they were. It appears that the old formula had neem, it had green tea, it had an extra preservative, and then an extra humectant. not in the new formula. So I'm interested to see how this performs. This is definitely a product that you have to use over time to really get the true benefits of it, because it really is like you're spraying rice water infused with all this other good stuff in your hair during your deep conditioning time. And then the two products that haven't officially launched yet, this Sprout Rice Vitamin Healthy Hair Milk, like yes, a moisturizer we love to see. And then they have a styler. This is the Can't Believe It's Not Butter. So this is the sprout and twist out version of the original Can't Believe It's Not Butter, which I had never tried. What I'm going to do is go ahead and hop in the shower and shampoo my hair using the rice butter shampoo. I'm not going to film that part because that is a product that I have featured on my channel before. I'll leave it linked in the description box if you want to see my thoughts on it. So I'm going to go cleanse my hair and then I'll be back when it's time for a deep conditioning. So see you in a minute. Okay, you guys, so I am back out of the shower from shampooing my hair with the rice butter shampoo, and this is what we are working with before going in with the deep conditioner. So I'm going to take about this much of the product in order to apply it to this first section of my hair, and I do want to warm it up in my hands first before doing that, just to make sure that it spreads nicely throughout my hair. So this product claims to promote hair growth. It detangles thick, thirsty tresses while adding comb-through spreadability, and it contains amla fruits for strengthening and rice proteins for penetrating your hair cuticles. So I would say that this is a good deep conditioner for those of you who want a good moisture protein balance. So I would recommend that deep conditioner for that. I'll be sure to leave the full ingredients list in the description box if I can find it on the internet. But I have to say that upon application, I was in love with this deep conditioner. Like, I felt like it spread so easily throughout my hair. It made my hair instantly feel more soft. It was super moisturizing. It smelled good. It has like a very light smell. And the slip was definitely there too, you guys. Like I said, that rice butter shampoo is a detangling product in my opinion. Now, I didn't like go in and detangle my hair heavily with the rice butter shampoo. I just kind of finger detangled because I didn't want to test the slip on this deep conditioner, and the slip was there. So I was overall very pleased upon first impressions with this deep conditioner. Okay, so now that I have applied all of that deep conditioner, now I'm going to go in with the follicular rice tonic. So I like to put this right on top of my deep conditioner whenever I do use this, and I have used quite a bit of this. I'm down here. I really like this stuff. It like just adds a little extra to your deep conditioning session. So you're supposed to apply it directly to your hair, and then let it sit for no longer than 20 minutes. So that is perfect for me because 20 minutes is how long I like to sit underneath the steamer. So I'm just going to spray this all over my head. So this rice tonic is designed to promote cell regeneration, shield against damage, and also create more body, fullness, and healthy hair growth. It does contain fermented rice water, as well as some yummy Ayurvedic herbs such as bringraj, amla, shikakai, and ashwagandha. So again, I'm just applying this all over my hair and scalp while I have the deep conditioner in. And what I'm going to do is just sit under my steamer for 20 minutes with both of these products in my hair, allow them to really penetrate, and then I rinse it out. Okay guys, so I am back, and I just wish that y'all could feel my hair. Look at how it looks too. Like, it just looks healthy. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. Alright, so next I am going to be using the Not Sauce Coil Detangler Sprout and Comb Out as my leave-in conditioner. So this also contains fermented rice grains as well as some healthy botanicals, and it claims to provide the ultra spreadability as well as some major softness. So let's see if it does that. Not that much. Oh, feels so good going in. My hair does feel like instantly softened. I mean, it was already soft, but it feels even softer now. Like, didn't think that that was possible, but it feels even softer. And it does have slip. So yes. Alright you guys, so I've just finished going through my entire head and applying this Not Sauce Coil Detangler Sprout and Comb Out Leave In. Y'all, this stuff is so good first impressions wise. Like, I feel the moisture, the slip is there, and I feel like my hair is a little shiny too. Like, it added a nice sheen to it, and it did instantly make my hair feel softer, which is what it claimed to do. So far so good there. So that concludes the products that are sold exclusively at Walmart, but I'm going to go ahead and style my hair using the 2 products that I found at Icon Beauty Supply online, just in case, you know, you want to know, like, when it does launch, is it worth the coin? So I'm going to go ahead and show you. I don't remember how much these cost, but if they're still on the website, I will leave them linked in the description box. So I'm going to start with just applying just a little bit of this Rice Vitamin Healthy Hair Milk. I don't need a whole lot, I feel, because that Not Sauce was already pretty moisturizing. I'm just going to add just a little bit of this. This one is thicker than the Not Sauce. So. Ooh, but she feels good going on. She is soft and creamy and moisturizing. Like, my hair, it just feels like butter right now, y'all. It really does. Alright, and finally for the styler, I'm going to be using the Can't Believe It's Not Butter Sprout and Twist Out styler, and I'm just going to be doing a regular braid out. Okay, so this is a lot creamier and a lot more lightweight than I thought it would be. It almost has like a whipped consistency, which is interesting. Like, see that? It's very lightweight. First impressions, I really like how this applied. I do feel a good amount of moisture in it, and my hair is looking like shiny. I'm gonna sit in the dryer a little bit and then air dry for the rest of the night, and then I will come back tomorrow morning to do the takedown and the separating and the fluffing and my final thoughts on these products from Soultanicals. So see y'all in the morning. Alright you guys, so it has been a couple of days actually since I put these braids in, and I am just not taking them down today, and this is what my hair is looking like. So let's go ahead and jump into my final thoughts on these products. So as I said before, the rice butter shampoo I have already used, so I'm not going to go into detail about how I feel about that product, but just know I love it. It's one of my favorite shampoos, even though it's more like a co-wash. It definitely made my favorites list. It's so good. Definitely recommend that. This Sprout-tastic Curly Elastic Deep Conditioning Treat, I loved this so much. I feel like it was the perfect balance between being moisturizing and being strengthening because of the protein that is in this product. So if you are looking for a deep conditioner that has a good balance of the two of those, then this is one that you're definitely going to enjoy. This thing is so good. It had every single thing that I needed when it comes to a deep conditioner. It applied well. It had good spreadability, it had slip, it was moisturizing, it just felt so good on my hair, and then it felt just as good after I rinsed it out. Like, this is 100% a winner in my book. Definitely recommend this. Definitely will repurchase and repurchase and repurchase. And then of course the rice tonic, like I said, I also have used this on my channel before. I just love adding this on top of my deep conditioner. I just feel like it just gives a little extraness to my deep conditioning session. I do feel, like I said earlier, that this is a product that you have to use over time in order to see the benefits from it, because it's basically rice water with Ayurvedic herbs, and with the rice water, you know, you use it over time in order to see growth. I do have another bottle of the newer formulation left, so I do 100% recommend these two, especially if you want to take your deep conditioning session just to the next level. Then there's the Not Sauce Coil Detangler Sprout and Comb Out Leave-In Detangler. Loved this stuff. Now, my hair was not super tangled when I went in with this because the products that I had used prior were just so slippery, had awesome slip, so I didn't have to do a whole lot of detangling, but I could tell that this product is going to be a good one for those days when my hair is really tangled, or, you know, it's good for those of you who really struggle with detangling your hair. I would definitely recommend this one. It's so good. It's moisturizing, it spreads very well, and my hair just really soaked it up. Loved this leave-in detangler. And the Sprout Rice Vitamin Healthy Hair Milk and the Can't Believe It's Not Butter Sprout and Twist Out Cream. I loved both of these as well. I just feel like they're a great duo when it comes to just adding some extra moisture into your hair. As you can see, my hair looks moisturized, but it feels like, I wish y'all could touch my hair right now. It is so soft and so moisturized. Now, as far as the hold on this product, it has a very, very light hold. As you can see, I have a good amount of frizz compared to the amount of definition that I have, and my hair is super soft. So moving forward, I mean, this is probably a product that will work for me for the winter months when it's cold outside and I don't need a lot of hold. But if I were to use this in the warmer months, then I would probably want to go on top of this with another styler that has a little more hold, because this definitely provides the moisture. It's just light as far as hold is concerned, but I still liked it. I liked it a whole lot. It smells really good. It has a light, airy scent, and I can smell it in my hair. My hair smells really good right now, just light and fresh, nothing too heavy at all. So I am going to continue using this. I am going to repurchase it once it officially launches. These products right here, hey yo, you did that, girl. You did that. Are you guys interested in these products? Are you going to pick them up? Have you heard anything about them? Let's chat about it below. Other than that, that's it. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. I hope that you found it informative. If you did, please go ahead and give me a big thumbs up, because that really helps my channel out a lot. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.